Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth connection issues on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So let's start with the universal solution method that works pretty much all the time in most cases, which is the simple restart. Hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and restart your smartphone. And if you can, also restart or factory reset your Bluetooth device. After the restart, let's try to connect to our device once again. Make sure to put it into pairing mode. Usually it's done by either clicking the specific combination on your power button or simply by holding it for enough time until the LED indicator of your Bluetooth device starts blinking rapidly like this. After that, in the quick settings, hold down your finger on Bluetooth and select your Bluetooth device from this list to pair with it. And after the device is paired, your device should automatically reconnect to it every time you turn on your Bluetooth device if you have your Bluetooth turned on. But if you still have this issue, if you still have the connection issue and your device doesn't want to connect with your Bluetooth device, you can simply reset this connection by going to Bluetooth settings, tapping the gear icon next to your Bluetooth device and selecting forget. And then basically just repeating the same pairing process. And if this doesn't help you, then you should go to settings, select system at the very bottom, and then go to reset phone, reset Wi-Fi settings, confirm, enter your password. After that, you're gonna have to also reconnect to your Wi-Fi, so just re-enter the Wi-Fi password next time you connect to it. And in Bluetooth menu, try repairing with your Bluetooth device. At this point, in pretty much all cases, the issue will be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.